time here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 2000 model year. Torch red, as you can see, black interior. This particular car, a little over 37,000 miles is all. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles, and take a look at the condition of this front fascia. FYI, the filler panel for that license plate area will be in the trunk, so it does come with the Corvette filler panel up there. And yeah, you're gonna have a few little spots where you got a little torch red touch up, some real fine ones, but overall, considering that this car, 22 years old now, great shape. 5.7 liter powered, automatic with overdrive transmission. Be a 345 horse, 5.7 and 2000. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay. Check out the interior, undersides, convertible top, and we'll run that up here at the end. I'll flip it up and we'll check out the condition of that. But check it out in the still pictures also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on the polished wheels along with the Michelin radials. And look up and down the side of this too, just free of nicks, dings, scratches. Interior shows as well as the exterior. Does have dual power seats, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player, heads-up display. This is a nicely loaded one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust back here. It also has the tail light grates, I guess, if you will, and I'll leave those in the trunk also. That will go along with that license plate filler panel when it gets shipped. And once again, you'll see those in the still pictures in the trunk if you look through all of them. And again, check out the underside, very clean underside. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's look at that. Driver's side also very clean. Paint on this one shows very well. All right, interior Bose stereo system, of course, memory seating, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Take a look at the bolster. Not really much excessive wear, just what you'd expect. Car with this kind of miles, that's well taken care of. Considering the year, very good shape once again. Inside and out, let's go ahead. There's your miles, 37,000. Close the door a second, 37,257. All the gauges work. Again, heads-up display. See that there? Kind of blurry. Get that to come into focus. There it is. Again, dual climate control. Dash. You can see the condition for yourself. All right. Not really noticed any modifications on this either. Slip around to the back, sounds as it should. Let's slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood quick, show you the engine bay. Then I'll shut it off, get the top up, and we'll take a look at that too. Look at the hood liner. Extremely clean. Tell this car has not been driven and it's already inclement weather. And also tell by looking how nice and tidy that engine bay is. Once again, the 5.7 liter is paired up with the automatic overdrive transmission. Sounds good, as it should. And one other thing, lots of times we'll get questions about this. Headlights. Working order. All right, I'm going to shut this off, close things up, put that top up, take a look at that, and finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the top up. Again, of course, C5, some manual top, piece cake to put up. Takes less than a minute. This one does have the black cloth top, as you can see. Rear glass window, rear defogger. Free of rips, tears, holes, fits nice all the way around. It's going to keep you dry or out of the sun, whichever the need may be at the time. There you go. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette, clean Carfax, low miles, torch red. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.